Let me show you how to enable WhatsApp notifications on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. And to do this, we are actually going to need to open our Huawei Health app, and over here click on the devices, click on your watch over here, then click on notifications over here and find your WhatsApp over here and make sure this is basically ticked in and enabled. So if you still actually basically are not receiving WhatsApp notifications, then also, for example, we can open up the app settings over here and also check the permissions for the app. So for example, over here, so where is the notifications? So basically in the not allowed, maybe notifications are listed over here. So you see, so we can click on this essentially and basically allow or deny these notifications. Also, if this is still not working, then what I can suggest you to is simply like uninstall the app from this phone and install it back on, I guess. So these are some ways. Anyway, good luck.